great to be able to actually get in the water with our Bahamian dolphins. It is an experience you'll never forget. Here at Dolphin Encounters on Blue Lagoon Island, there's a lot of intimacy between our guests and our dolphin. Feel their skin, feel how soft it is. Wrap your arms completely around one of the animals, and they're so gentle. We keep the group small, so everybody has a wonderful experience. And the grand finale of the Dolphin Swim program is the foot push. You're going to be shooting across the water at high speeds, and you're going to have a great time. It's an absolutely amazing experience. It's something that makes my job worth coming to every single day.